Hello everyone, today I will start another JS video. It's more specific about pure JS. I will use any of the famous boilerplates like Vite, like CRA. I will start with you from the scratch. I will start coding here, but I have to log in first because I have an account. If you don't have one, create one using the sign up function. I will log in because I already have the credentials filled. I will create a new pen here. Okay, I have a simple pen with pure HTML, pure CSS, and pure JS too. I will not use the pure CSS for the example. It's not important. I will rename here for pure React. Sounds great. And if I want to use things like CRA, I have to configure it. I have to download with npm like a dependency. The CRA starts with Webpack configured, has Webpack preconfigs. If I use Vite, is a simplest way. Supports TS and TSX and other features. Easily to run. Okay, but I don't want things like that. If I want to start with pure React, I have to start some settings in JS, like Babel, because it includes JSX processing. I will use it, and I have the core of React and the React DOM to manipulate the DOM, of course. I will save and close. So let's test if our startup is running. Alright, I will create here a brand new div. This div will have here identifier. In our case will be a container. And if I want to test if React DOM is working, I will call per React DOM here and the handler method inside the constructor. Sounds good because change the colors. We have here the handler working and expects two parameters. The first one is what will be handled. In our case will be a 81 tag. The 81 we can call for product and a blank space here. And I have where it will be handled on the second parameter. I will call per pure.js function using the document get element by ID, passing the ID of our HTML. The ID is container. And okay, it's working. Product is displayed as a 81 tag inside the container. But if I want a more complex example or a more dynamic one, I have to create here a const, what will be our tag product, what will receive the props, instance of an error function. I will create here a let, like product name. By default will be not found. And if the user or the programmer pass the props.name here, I will modify the product name calling per props.name because it exists and it's validated. I have to return something to be a valid JSS tag. I will return our tag here, but a little bit more dynamic. Passing here, I have the product. I have here our literal. Bad mistake. Alright. I have to close. Damn. I have to close. Okay. Fine. And I have here our product name. Product name. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. The product can be called here. Like that. It's re-rendering. Okay, product not found because I don't pass it any name, any valid name. And the default value was charged on the page, modifying directly the DOM. But if I pass a name here, I will pass the name of the product will be a bike, the bike. Closing the tag. Sounds good? Okay, the bike is here. It's just a simple example that you can use on your work because I don't use any boilerplate and I have a simplest JS here with just the core of the React. I hope that you really like this video and share with your friends if you must recommend to someone a valid React content. So, by the way, for today is that, and see you soon. Bye bye.